If a picture's worth 1,000 words, and hopefully a video's worth 1,000,000, I am trying to connect Mission Planner to Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 using the Ardupilot SITL bridge by Marco, and that's excellent Marco's little bit of software. But I'm running into a problem now, and here's where the pictures, I'll make the movies move. So you see normal calibration in Mission Planner, bottom right, and everything's working except the throttle. It's not seeing the throttle at all. Now I may be missing something very, very obvious as to why it's not seeing the throttle, but I'm blowed if I can find it a day into trying to work this out, and I'm beaten. I have a hunch it's a setting in Microsoft Flight Simulator, but I'm not sure what that is. So I'm going to chuck this on the channel now, dear viewer. Thank you for watching. Bored you might be. Marco, this is for you. Why can't I use the throttle? You can see it there in the bridge, but it's not translating, it's not coming across the Mission Planner at all. Anyway, dear viewers, have a lovely weekend. Cheers for now. Bye bye.